In a bustling city of routine, a factory cleaner pauses at dawn to watch rain erase the noise. Through the window, a skewed reflection reveals not a tired worker, but a navigator charting unseen possibilities. That shift in gaze sparks a simple invention idea, a community tool turning every dull moment into a spark of collaboration. The city adapts as doors open, commuters share routes, and a reluctant manager becomes an ally in a fresh plan. Viewers learn that shifting perception can rewrite outcomes, revealing resilience, teamwork, and vistas never imagined from the same rain.